Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we are discussed about a very important points about the microorganisms. The microorganisms are very useful in the preparation of bread and other food items in our day-to-day life. And finally, the microorganisms play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Today, we are going to study one more new point, that is about commercial use of microorganisms. So, commercial use. Here, almost all microorganisms are used in the manufacture, especially in the case of production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Here acetic acid means nothing but vinegar, right? So especially to produce a large scale of alcohol, large scale production of the alcohol, wine and also acetic acid. So alcohol, wine and acetic acid, these are the very essential components for the human body, right? And especially the commercial production of the wine and alcohol is very more. Okay, so commercial purpose. Then yeast is growing, especially the yeast is very important for us in our present day-to-day life, right? So yeast is grown on a natural sugar present in some of the crops like grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed juices, okay, or crushed fruit juices. It means mainly we need the sugar. So the sugar present in the some of the crops or some of the grains like what I said, that is once again I'll repeat, barley, wheat, rice as well as the crushed fruit juices, they contains the sugar. So then what is this? The conversion of the sugar into alcohol is called as what? The fermentation. Then what is the fermentation? Fermentation means what? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as fermentation. The fermentation is mainly very important process in the nature. So that process is discovered by the scientist Louis Pasteur in the year of 1857. It's a very great invention of the Louis Pasteur at about the microorganisms. Dear students, microorganisms are not only useful for in our day-to-day life to prepare some food items as well as some commercial purpose, but the microorganisms also a very important role in the medicines. Means microorganisms are very useful in the medicinal use of microorganism. Medicinal use. Day-to-day life, the many diseases, many problems are created in our day-to-day life, right? So how do we get all these? Dear students, especially whenever you fall sick or ill, you consult the doctor. The doctors will prescribe you some antibiotics or provide some antibiotics, injections or capsule or some syrup, right? So what do you call these? These are called as antibiotics. What are antibiotics especially? So antibiotics are nothing but the medicines kill or prevent or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms in our body. So such medicines are called as what? Antibiotics. Once I'll repeat, my dear students, whenever you may fall ill, the doctors will give some antibiotics, means some medicines. It may be an injection, tablet, capsule or syrup. So here what do you call these? They are called as antibiotics. What are antibiotics? That is the medicines kill or stop, prevent the growth of the disease causing microorganisms in our body. So such medicines are called as what? Antibiotics. So mainly nowadays, means these days, many antibiotics are being produced or discovered. How possible? From bacteria and the fungi. Almost all, like penicillin. Almost all the antibiotics are prepared, produced by the use of bacteria and the fungi. So here also the bacteria and fungi play a very important role in the manufacture or in the preparation of the medicines, right? And some of the antibiotics are given here: streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin. These are the very important antibiotics for the human body. So even animals also suffering some of the problems, some of the diseases. So many scientists are still discovering the what antibiotics in our day-to-day life. This is about antibiotics, means medicinal use of the microorganisms. Dear students, the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi also useful. Actually, these antibiotics are feed with the livestock, as well as one more is that poultry. Why? Because to check the microbial infection in the animals, as well as the microorganisms are also very useful to check the proper growth of the plant, as well as to control many plant diseases. In this way, the microorganisms are very beneficial in our day-to-day life, both in the plants as well as in the animals life.